Anyone have any questions or anything else? Okay.
What do you personally like about being on Team 238?
Like the community involved, how we do so many different things. It's not just engineering, it's not just about competition, it's also about outreach and all the things we do. Like when people join this club, they're like, oh, we just build robots, but it's so much more than that, and that's what I think I like about it, and all the opportunities it will also help me for in a career in engineering in the future.
This is also for me a way to give back because my son went through the team for 5 years and benefited from it. Now he's in college studying computer engineering, so it's another way to give back to other students so that they can do what they want to do with their career.
I get to, program robots. I've been trying to learn how to code since I was like 8 because, I thought it was such a cool idea. I could make a computer do whatever I wanted to, but I could just never get into it. But then I walk in, they're like, what do you want to do? I want to program. All right, we'll teach you how. And then in 6 months, those mentors were able to teach me what I could not teach myself in 6 years.
What do you enjoy specifically about the team environment of Team 238?
I really like the team environment because you're sort of free to float around wherever you'd like. You can either choose to stay where you started, or you can, go and, I'm programming today, I'm building the robot tomorrow, I'm making flyers for the school the next day.
We do have some structure as a team, but we are pretty casual and hopefully a comfortable space for everybody, both the students and the mentors. So I enjoy that. I never feel stressed coming in here.
I think the team environment is very friendly. Everyone's nice, we make jokes about each other through all of our team building activities. It's a nice community, and people I wouldn't usually talk to in my classes, people from all different grade levels, so I think it's really nice to have a community like that.
It's very open, it's very welcoming. I found a good few friends here.
What is the biggest accomplishment 238 has achieved as a team?
Being able to sustain over a long time of years. We've gone on our 30th anniversary, and every year we just keep getting better and keep building on. And I think it's just that experience and the new students and being able to keep a sustaining team with all of our outreach events and all of our competitions.
What was your favorite community involvement that 238 has done?
The Thunder Over Air show, we went a year ago, and we also had off-season events, but then we also interacted with so many sponsors and people there that just wanted to learn more about STEM activities, and I thought that was really cool.
I really enjoyed at District Champs seeing 5 different teams come together.
Other teams from Maine, New Hampshire, and Massachusetts.
Eating all together, mingling together, watching you guys play games afterwards together. It built a community in itself.
How does 238 manage its budgeting and spending?
So as a team, the mentors will come together each summer and kind of review what we think we need to spend this coming season, figure out how much we think that's going to cost us, and then we use that information to help us figure out how much we need to fundraise. And then we do share that with the rest of the team so that everybody's aware and knows kind of where we are with our fundraising.
Well, when it comes to meal planning, basically we reach out to the community. Being nonprofit in education, most businesses will work with you, so they won't charge you tax, and they'll also give you a good deal if you're buying in bulk, and you establish those relationships and then build on to that throughout the years. But it's all about using the businesses in the community and asking for help, and most of the time people will help.
And on a different note, we do a lot of fundraising. Again, reaching out to local community places to build relationships with them, so they'll do restaurant nights, so that they'll do maybe even sponsorships with some of the local places, and just really building community.